Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can use an Amazon store card at Whole Foods. So what you're going to have to do is, first of all, to use your actual Amazon store cards which are accepted at the Whole Foods market, you would need an in-store code, and you will use that in-store code to pay in store. Now this is pretty simple, and you would need your Amazon or Whole Foods app for this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to simply scan your Amazon or Whole Foods market in-store code. You will simply just go at a self-checkout lane or a staff lane. But for that, what you have to do is, first of all, you will go on your Amazon app. And from there, you will tap in-store code right here, which you'll see at your home screen. And once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to see this. You can also use the Whole Foods Market application for this, where you can instantly find your code. But if you're using the Amazon app for Whole Foods or anywhere else, what you're going to do is, after you press this, you're going to see this after you do that, this QR code, and here you'll see the payment method for supported stores. So as you can see on either app, look under the QR code to see your current payment method. Now, if this is the current payment method, it's all right. Otherwise, if you want to change it, you can simply just press on this. Here you'll see your payment methods, and you will select the one that you want. Then you will press continue, and after you've done that, you will get your updated proper in-store code. And now simply what you're going to do is you're going to get this scanned. This code will be scanned, QR code, and once it's scanned, you will be able to pay at Whole Foods. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.